Good morning, Warren Peacock here. Today we can see the Australian dollar is now the strongest currency overall. That is still mainly on the hourly and the 4 hourly chart. The daily charts haven't changed yet. A number of those pairs are coming close to changing. At this point, we have the 4 hourly up 2 points over yesterday, the hourly up 1 point over yesterday. So Australian dollar strength certainly coming through now. Whether it's sustainable or not, we'll have to see, and I am waiting for these daily charts to change. The euro also gained 3 points over yesterday, and that was on the hourly chart, so we might see some euro strength come in. Uh, Most of the market is short the euro, long the dollar, so I think we're going to see some pullback in the dollar, and we're going to see some gains in the euro. The British pound lost 3 points yesterday, and that was 2 points on the hourly, 1 point on the 4 hour. So pound still volatile as we go into their elections. We can see overall that the Australian dollar is the strongest, the yen the weakest, and it's quite interesting to see the yen losing a bit of ground now. The euro US dollar is still the weakest currency pair on the daily charts. That might be changing sometime soon. We've seen the dollar lose a point yesterday on the daily. On the 4 hourly chart, we have the Australian dollar strongest, we've got the yen and the US dollar weakest. And then on the hourly chart, we have the Aussie strongest and the US dollar weakest. Now let's go see what the charts tell us. And we start off with the Aussie dollar yen as the strongest pair overall. And we can see that trend coming close to changing now. We'll just have to see how it works out. It has broken above resistance. And I just want to see whether today it will actually maintain that hold. If we just put a trend line in, it's got to remain above that level. The next level would be at the previous swing high, which is there. So there's quite a bit of distance between where it is now and getting to the next level. If we zoom out a little bit on this chart, we can see that this particular pair, not a great trending pair, but certainly some money to be made. We have a trend line over here. I can just put it in. So we can see that there's a bit of a broadening channel going on. It's going to be interesting to see how this pans out. If it does break that second resistance level, then the next target would have to be the upper trend line. The euro US dollar, again waiting for that resistance level to break, or maybe the 89. We'll have to see what's going on there. For all intents and purposes, it is range bound at this point, so pretty much staying away from that for now. Australian dollar to the yen on the 4 hourly chart, it was also the strongest chart. Same thing as the daily, it's broken above resistance. I want to see if it can hold above. Australian dollar to the US dollar, that was a big talking point yesterday. It's broken that resistance level. It did continue higher. Currently trying to come back a little bit. I would like to get it long a little bit lower down. And once again, waiting for the signals. On the hourly chart, Aussie dollar, US dollar, same thing. Not much to say other than if it comes back to support, use that area there. I'd be interested in looking at it. Then just a point of interest is the dollar index has broken below the triangle. We should have a horizontal line in over here, and we can see that support level is now important. I'll take that yellow trend line away if this level becomes important. So for now, it's on support, and I'm waiting to see what happens from there. Thank you very much. Chat again tomorrow.